Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi began his three-city vaccine tour with a visit to pharma major Zydus Cadilla's plant in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi reviewed the development process of drug makers' COVID vaccine candidate Zycov-D. After Ahmedabad, Modi visited Bharat Biotech plant in Hyderabad. The company is working on Covaxin, pitched as India's first indigenous vaccine candidate. After his hour-long visit to the facility there, Prime Minister's next stop is Pune, where Serum Institute of India is situated. In fact, the institute has partnered with global pharma giant AstraZeneca and Oxford University for a COVID vaccine there. Prime Minister Modi is expected to review the status of the COVID Shield, including its launch, production, distribution mechanisms during the visit.
India's journey in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the scientists, 1,800 of them, and 25,000 plus Zydans are continuously thriving and working for providing safe and efficacious vaccine, better COVID treatment and diagnostics. I want to wish you all healthy life, and I would request all of you to wear mask and maintain social distance.
Well, Serum Institute is a pioneer institute as far as vaccinology is concerned in India, and they have got extensive stock of this vaccine as of now. Now, with this particular background, that huge stock is already available. So as soon as they get the permission to go further, they will be able to supply this vaccine for India and for some other countries also. Now, what they are doing are essentially phase 2, phase 3 study. Now, phase 2, phase 3, when it comes, it means that, well, the vaccine will, first of all, they will look into the dose that is being used, how effective is that in terms of safety. So safety is the main concern they will be looking for in 1,600 people.
We're cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay, reporting live from Pune. Pankaj, this is going to be a big breakthrough if the vaccine that's being developed by Serum Institute of India, it will be indigenous to India. The vaccine will be rolled out soon enough. Here is Prime Minister Modi already reviewing the trials and to see what stage it's come, how soon it will be rolled out. Plans already being chalked out by the government and Prime Minister Modi to visit Serum Institute. How far and how soon do we expect this vaccine to come out?
Of course, Navila, this is the very question that is being asked today by every citizen as to when is the date and time when this vaccine is going to be rolled out. But of course, as we know, Covishield has been generating a lot of curiosity ever since the Serum Institute officials had said that the trial phase data has been very satisfactory and that they've reached the third phase, and here itself the data that is coming out is very satisfactory. Now that of course made many people very, very hopeful, and today when Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself is coming down to this Serum Institute to have a word with the medical scientists, and he wants to understand what is the actual status of the Covishield vaccine, whether this will be able to hold itself in the long run as well. What are the other specifics of this vaccine? What about the logistics? What about the production, distribution? What is the planning that is going on here at the Serum Institute? In a way, it also shows the resolve of the government that it is very seriously viewing all the developments with regards to the vaccine against corona as well. So today marks a very, very important day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting the Serum Institute of India at around 4:25. This is the official time that we've been given, and we've been given to understand that he is going to spend at least an hour with the medical scientists here. Today, of course, this area has been completely cordoned off. We are not allowed to go inside since the morning hours. The officials too have not come out, or any official word has not been given. But the fact remains, over the past couple of days, the statements that have been made by the officials of the Serum Institute clearly indicate that all the activities, the development is totally going in a right direction, and that is why not just about the curiosity factor, this is perhaps one of the reasons as well that Prime Minister himself has taken interest, and he'll be flowing down today to meet the medical scientists here. across 17 sites are being told that the various tests have been organized, and the data that has been collected till now has been very, very satisfactory, and that is the reason why it is being said that perhaps by the early next year there could be some big announcement as well. So Covishield, as we know, the partnership between the all-important Serum Institute of India here in Pune, the pharma giants AstraZeneca and the Oxford University, perhaps this could lead to some good news by the early next year. And today, the all-important news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself flying down to get more specific details, especially the status of this vaccine.
Pankaj Upadhyay, thank you very much for bringing in all those details. Pankaj Upadhyay there, right in Pune. Serum Institute in just a little while from now, Prime Minister Modi to reach. He's just left from the Hyderabad Centre after reviewing trials that's currently underway in Hyderabad as well. Here, Prime Minister Modi headed out of Hyderabad Institute, where the Covaxin is currently going through third stage trial. After this, he's going to be headed to Pune. Prime Minister's visuals coming in right out of the Hyderabad facility. He's headed to Pune right after this to the Serum Institute to review what's the progress with the vaccine there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.